Have you ever wondered how you can make money with AI? Artificial intelligence, a game changer in numerous industries, is about more than just cutting-edge robots. It's about leveraging this powerful technology to unlock lucrative opportunities. Today, we are going to dive into the ways you can use AI to create profitable opportunities. The first way to make money with AI is to invest in AI stocks. As AI continues to shape our future, it's also making a significant impact on the stock market. Investing in companies that are leading the charge in AI innovation can be a profitable endeavor. Tech giants like Google and Amazon may come to mind, but don't overlook smaller startups that are making waves in the AI space. Next, consider creating AI-powered solutions. If you're a developer or an entrepreneur, the world of AI presents endless opportunities to innovate. From designing intelligent chatbots to building recommendation engines, the products you create can be monetized, attracting a loyal customer base and generating income. Another avenue to explore is offering AI consulting services. As more businesses aim to leverage the benefits of AI, they often require guidance. If you have expertise in AI technologies, you can step into the role of a consultant, helping businesses navigate their AI journey while making a tidy profit. Now let's talk about developing AI-enhanced applications. The mobile app market is booming, and infusing your applications with AI capabilities can make them stand out from the crowd. Whether you're developing apps for healthcare, finance, or entertainment, AI can enhance user experiences, leading to more downloads and potential income through ads or in-app purchases. The fifth way to make money with AI is through data annotation. AI requires vast amounts of data for training, and companies often need help annotating and labeling these datasets. Offering data annotation services can be a rewarding way to contribute to AI development and make money in the process. Lastly, explore the world of AI content creation. AI-generated content is growing in popularity, and as a content creator, you can leverage this trend. Whether you're crafting AI-driven articles, videos, or music, you're not only expanding your audience but also generating income through advertising or subscriptions. These are just a few of the ways you can harness the power of AI to generate income. As the AI landscape continues to evolve, new opportunities are constantly emerging. So keep an eye on the latest trends, stay informed, and you might just find your next big AI endeavor. To summarize, artificial intelligence offers numerous ways to make money. From investing in AI stocks to creating AI-powered solutions, the potential for profit is vast. If you have the expertise, providing AI consulting services can be a lucrative venture. Don't overlook the possibility of developing AI-enhanced applications or offering data annotation services for AI training. And let's not forget the creative side of AI, with opportunities in AI-generated content creation. The world of AI is dynamic and ever-evolving. Staying abreast of AI trends and developments can open up a wealth of opportunities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights on AI and other exciting topics.